this video I will tell you how to cancel a subscription of a Shopify app. So for an example, here is my Shopify website. Here I was using a paid Shopify app, that is Reconvert Upsell Cross Sell. So now I have installed Sell Easy Upsell and Cross Sell app. So now I want to delete and cancel the subscription of this app, so they will not charge me after the month ends. So as you know, the billing is done at the end of the month or at the start of the month with the Shopify subscription. So if we will delete this app, then they can still charge us. If the Shopify app don't provide a free trial, they may charge you at the end of the month with the Shopify subscription. So to cancel this subscription, we can delete this app, but they may still charge us at the end of the month if they don't provide a free trial. So we can delete this app, and when we will open the app from here, like when we will click on it, we will see if there is any pending charge. So now this app provides a free trial and the free trial is not ended. So when I will delete it, they will not charge me at the end of the month. But if they don't provide free trial, then they may charge you. So that's how it works. So we can delete this. So now they will not charge me because I deleted the app within the free trial. So if the free trial ends, they may charge me. So if you want to cancel the subscription, you can delete the app, and in the invoice you can see if they will charge you or they will not charge you.